Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel again. We are continuing from where we stopped. Those who are just watching for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share your comment, and you also follow. So last time I told you that in our next video we shall be looking at how to create a report card as a class teacher. I've already introduced you to Excel and we are continuing. We shall look at how to create a report card as a class teacher. So if you want to create a report card as a class teacher using Microsoft Excel, you will come and open a Microsoft Excel, generate the lists, and then you fixed in the positions, grades, and the comments. Like now mine, I already have my list generated, so I'm just going to fix in the missing gaps for the positions, the ranking, and all that. So let me open my class list. Here it is, and we see how we are going to do about it. You are generating a report card as a class teacher. So here it is, as you can see, it is really here. We have the marks, we have the names, we have biology, chemistry, math, GPICT, and we have the column for total, column for average, column for position, and then the column for comment. So if you want to calculate the total, there are two ways we can calculate the total. There is formula and there is function. A formula is user defined. Meanwhile, a function is a predefined formula that is used to perform specific calculations or operations. So here we go. I'm going to use both of them so that you can be able to differentiate between a formula and a function. Let's start by using a formula. Any calculation in Excel starts with the equal sign. Remember that. So equal sign from here, plus this, plus this, plus this, plus this. So we are getting the total. We are adding from B3 up to F3. That is the total, and it will be like that one exactly. That one we have used a formula. Then if you want to use a function, you're going to just say sum from B3 up to F3. Enter. Are you seeing that it has brought the same answer, but the difference is a formula is user defined, meanwhile a function is a predefined formula used to perform specific calculations and operations. So for the rest of the students, we shall not enter the formula again, we just drag. Yeah, that's the total. Then average, equal sign. If you're using a formula to calculate the average, just you use the way you know the formula. It is the total out of the number, not so. But not to waste much time, let us just calculate using functions. But a formula, you just enter the formula you know. So don't be disturbed next time when you are calculating using a formula. Function is the one which it's already predefined for you. Like now, if I want to get to the average, I just say average. It's already even here. Average from B3 up to F3. We are getting the average from there. Enter. For the rest of the students, we are just going to drag. Exactly. That is the average. Then the next thing is when we want to get the positions of these students, whether this student was number 1, number 2, number 3, and all that, we were going to use rank. Any calculation start with the equal sign. I will keep reminding you. Equal sign, rank. That's the formula. That is how we can get the position of the students. We will see who is number 1 and who is number 10 in the class. So we say rank, and I'm going to use the average for getting the positions of these students. And you can also use the total, but the best way to calculate the position of these students is by using the average marks. So average, comma, I'm going to get from this one, but I'm going to get from there up to up to here. So it's from H3 up to H12. That's where I want to rank them from. But remember, I'm supposed to insert a dollar sign here in between, before and after. Sorry. H3, comma, and I'm going to say dollar sign. If you're pressing dollar, it is shift number 4. It's up on that key number 4, key 4. The dollar sign is there, but remember, you're going to click shift, then you click on there also. Then dollar sign, we are getting H, dollar H, then dollar 3, then again dollar H, dollar 12. dollar 12. Then I just close and I enter. So are you seeing this is number? Mercy is number 10 in the class. I think she's the last student here. Yeah, that is the position. So Zion Paul is number 1. You will see that if I make some changes here and I give Mercy 80, even her position is going to change. I give her 90 here. I also give her 90. You realize that she becomes number 1. So if I make any changes here, it will just, let me say maybe she's having a total of 500. Could be. And you realize that our position has really changed. Anything, it will change automatically. So that is it, friends. Now if you want to get the comments, equal sign, comment, we are going to use if functions. So now in my class, this is what I'm going to do. Anyone who has got from 0 to 60, actually 0 up to 65, that person has got, actually that person, I'm going to give him or her good. If you have 65 up to 79, very good. Then 80 up to 100, excellent. That is the comment I'm going to give them, basing on their average mark. So here it is. If, open bracket, this average is less than or equals to 65, comma, open quotation, good, close quotation, comma. Then if this average, oh sorry, it's an error, let's repeat it again, equal sign, if the average, sorry, it starts with the equal sign. Are you remembering what I told you? If, open bracket, average is less than or equals to 65, open quotation, this person has got good, close quotation, comma. Then if, open bracket, this average is greater than 65, comma, open quotation. Very good. Close quotation, comma. If this very one we are going to put a comma here. You need to be careful when you're entering these things, my friends. Open quotation, as in if, open quotation, H, the average, is greater than, actually it's greater than 79, comma, give it excellent. Close quotation, and you close the brackets. The number of times you've opened the bracket is the number of times you're going to close it. Then you enter. So are you seeing? Masa has got very good. Let's see who is having excellent here. Very good. Nobody got excellent in this class. But you realize that if I'm to change the marks from here, let me change for this one that she has got 100. She has got 100 in all that stuff. You will see the changes and understand what I'm meaning. 100, 100, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total here is 500. One hundred, 100. She's the first one and she's having excellent. She's supposed to get excellent. It's greater than 79. It's supposed to be excellent. You see? So this is what I was talking about, dear friends. That is it. If I try to change the marks, you realize that the changes are also being made in their positions. You get? So this is what I was talking about. And that is it, my friend. How to create the report card using Microsoft Excel. You get? So that is it. Next time we shall continue from there. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. Until we meet again, may the Lord God watch over you, protect you, and keep you. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and you share. You leave in your comment as well. Thank you, and until we meet again. Bye.